That is not ringing any bells. Erbium, like is there a B? Erbium, Erbom, Erbuim? Erbium. Hello everyone. I realized it had been like a century since I last thought about chemistry, and I decided to review some of these online quizzes and games that test your knowledge of the periodic table, of the elemental groups therein, and your ability to recognize elements. I'm not very good at any of these, so I'm expecting a pretty high failure rate, but we'll see how much information remains from high school. I've left a quiz for you to answer how long it's been since you last reviewed your chemistry knowledge. Has it been like a week, a year, 10 years or more? Anyway, on with the quiz. Okay, let's start this again for a fair quiz. Alright, so click on silicon. Si maybe? Click on dysprosium. It probably starts with D. It's definitely in the bottom section somewhere. It sounds like a metal of maybe Dy. There we go. Seaborgium. Seaborgium. Hopefully S. Otherwise, Seaborgium maybe? No? No, it's not SM. Seaborgium is not SM. SB. Not SB. How about SG? Oh, it's SG. Seaborgium is SG. If only you could do this in exams, just guessing rather, just keep guessing until you get the right answer. But that only works if you get instant feedback. Arsenic. It's got to be, oh, that's argon. How about arsenic. Krypton is Kr. Borium is, it's not B, that's boron. Bi, maybe? Nope. Borium. Borium, there we go. Bh. Thankfully, most of the letters sound exactly like what they are. Fe is iron, not francium. Francium is probably some kind of metal, maybe Fr. Thallium. Admittedly, this is a little too easy because some of them are really just the initials of the element in question, thallium. So we're looking for probably a TH. TH. I mean, this is good for someone who doesn't really know the elements like myself and is just guessing, and maybe it would help that sink in after a while. Where the heck is a TH? Ugh. I think there's no TH. Oh, it was TL or TI. I'm not sure which one. Lead is PB. I remember that from class. Although where PB is, I don't know. You've probably seen it already. Is it PD? I don't think it is. There we are, PB. I didn't realize it was number 82 on the table. Zinc. ZN, I believe. Where is ZN? And gold is AG. No, wait. No, AU. That's right. Magnesium is Mg. Cesium, that's calcium. So cesium is probably CS. Lawrencium. I haven't heard of that one. La. Maybe that one. No, it's not LL. Maybe LW or LR. Maybe LV. Livermorium. Oh, I do like that it says what it is. Lutetium. Lr. Lawrencium is Lr. The last element. I wonder if that's a man-made one. Carbon is C. Plutonium. I think I've had enough of this game for now. That's platinum. PT is platinum. Yeah, I've had enough of this game for now. Let's go on to element Hagman. Which element is this? The element's chemical symbol is ER. Well, I'm guessing it has an E in it, and the rest of it I have no idea. This little hangman is screwed. Ru? Oh, maybe if I can just guess my way there. That is not ringing any bells. Erbium, like is there a B? Erbium, Erbom, Erbuim? Erbium. You can just sort of feel your way there. Tell me more about... Next question, please. This is fun. This is good for kids, I guess. The element's name comes from the Latin word for France. This has got to be that francium one, isn't it? Francium. Wait, F and R aren't in... What the heck is the Latin word for France? I have no idea what the Latin word for France is. L? all. Okay, whole. This is very concerning. Gallium. Maybe gallium. Ooh, this guy's got one life. Gallium, there we go. He had one life left. Alright. The element is responsible for the color of amethyst gemstones. What are amethysts again? I think they're green, so we're possibly talking about one. No, it's not a noble gas. That can't possibly be in a gemstone. Let's see, it's got 9 letters, so it's a long one. Probably has the alphabet in it. Maybe a T. No, thallium. Nope. G, H, I. It starts with an M. No. Magnesium, maybe? No. Manganese, possibly? Manganese, that's right. I like this game. This is a good one, actually, by Jefferson Lab. It lets you sort of feel your way there, and you sort of have to go through all the elements in your head when you're trying to figure out, what the letters that you have could possibly spell out. The element was first produced by Jacob A. Marinsky, Lawrence E. Glendinning, and Charles D. Coriel in 1944. Produced. This means it's one of those really long ones down the bottom. It's got 10 letters. Does it have a T in it? Does it have an H? It's not thorium. It doesn't have an L. Doesn't have an E. Oh dear. Must have an O. It's got to have more vowels than this. Maybe a G. I have no idea what this is. Something that ends in M. Ometh, glometh, polymeth. Oh, it starts with P. Okay. Plumeth. What? How many letters can fit between there? Plumeth, WZR. Prometheus. Oh, Prometheum. Wait, Promethe. Is that an I? There we go. Prometheum. I guess that's what the movie was named after. The meter was once defined with a bar made from platinum and this metal. The only thing I don't like about Element Hangman is that there's no end game. You just sort of keep going until you drop. So we'll make this the last one. The meter was defined with a bar made from platinum and this metal. The meter. I have no idea if what was defined with a bar made from platinum and this metal. What mixes with platinum? I've got it's probably something non-reactive, I assume. Something that lasts a long time. 7 letters. That's not silver. We'll try the alphabet first. I. It's got lots of I's in it. Iridium, perhaps? That comes to mind. Iridium. That's it. I did not know that was mixed with metal to define the meter. Anyway, I think that's a good refresher from now. I actually really liked Jefferson Lab's Element Hangman. If you ever want to exercise your chemistry skills when they're not that great, the Chemistry Hangman's a good one. Cute little facts and sort of sounding out the elements that you barely know. It's a good exercise. Alright, that's me done for now. I will sign back on and review another set of online quizzes when I am in the mood for flexing some other ancient knowledge that I have long since forgotten. See ya!